Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is September 22nd, and we are going to take a look at the VIX, Dow Jones, S&P 500, and the Nasdaq index. So let's start with the VIX. Yesterday, VIX had closed above our support at 27.72. VIX had been trying to break that resistance for a little bit of a while. It broke it yesterday and it broke it also today, but it came back down within it. 27.72 is a very important thing, so maybe things are going to change a little bit. We had the news of the FOMC meeting yesterday, and I think it scared a lot of people. Let's see in the next few days if things are not going to quiet down a little bit. I would tend to say so because of this candle right here that started above and finished below our beloved 27.72 resistance slash support. Let's look at Dow Jones. So Dow Jones is just inching a little bit lower. So right now we stopped on our first double support right here. So we stopped right there, still no stochastic at all. S&P 500 getting closer also to our support at 37.42.48. So we are inching down there. So it's a possibility that this would be a bottom. This could be a bottom for a little while. So that's entirely possible. And let's look at Nasdaq Composite. Same thing, Nasdaq has yet to reach its own support, and this is going to be at 10,855. But it's a pretty decent support because it has been used as far back as June, and it was used 3 times, 4 times approximately. Maybe we are going to encounter a little bit of a pause here before another little bit of a move up. That's entirely possible. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.